Sounds of outdoor nature. My yard is a mess. Normally it doesn't look like this, but we put down some weed killer. Just enjoying the red birds. They're making a song out here. Excuse me if the camera is shaking. You know, I'm standing up on one foot. And I just got off live not long ago. So I'm trying to get back into making videos and going live. Red birds, I just love them. I heard when they're red birds, well, the ones with the black or brown on them are males, but when a red bird comes, that's someone that has passed away that's visiting. Don't know how true it is. Let me know if you've heard of that. Someone close to you that's visiting. It flew away. Alrighty. There's one still up there, but it just flew away too. Alright. Yeah, have a good day, you all. Thanks.